Hello Prep 1, welcome to our new lesson. Our lesson today it's called Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem said in the right angle triangle, area of the square drawn on the hypotenuse equals sum of the areas of the squares drawn on the other two sides. The area of the square drawn in the hypotenuse equals the sum of the areas of the squares drawn on the other two sides. We can also write the previous theorem as follows. In the right angle triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the length of the other two sides. In triangle ABC, if measure angle A equals 90 or the triangle ABC is right at A, then BC power 2 equals AC power 2 plus AP power 2. And we can deduce the following two relations, that AP power 2 equal BC power 2 minus AC power 2 and AC power 2 equals BC power 2 minus AP power 2. Triangle ABC is right at B, measure B 90, then AP power 2 plus BC power 2 equals AC power 2. Example, ABC is a right angle triangle at B. Find the length of the third side in triangle ABC if the first one, measure A يعطيني length of AP equals 3 and the length of BC equal 4. Let's see. First, we have a right angle triangle at B. AP equals 3, BC equals 4. So, since APC is a right angle triangle at B, then AC power 2 is the hypotenuse equals AP power 2 plus BC power 2. Then 9 power 2, 3 power 2 equals 9, 4 power 2 equals 16 equals 25. By getting the square root, then AC equals root 25 equals 5 centimeter. Second, AP equals 5 and AC equals 13. Draw a right angle triangle at B. AC equals 13, that's the hypotenuse, and AP equals 5. So, since APC is a right at B, then BC power 2 equals AC power 2 minus AP power 2 equals 169, 13 power 2 minus 25 اللي هي 5 power 2 equals 145. Then BC equals root 145 equals 12 centimeter. Another example. In each of the following figures, find the side length which is denoted by the sign question mark. Figure 1. In triangle APC is right angle triangle at A. So, PC power 2 equals AC power 2 plus AP power 2. 15 power 2 plus 20 power 2 equals 225 plus 400 equals 625. Then, PC equals root 625 equals 25 centimeter. Figure number 2. We have a right angle triangle at B. AP power 2 equals AC power 2 minus BC power 2. I want to get one side of the right angle triangle. Then 15 power 2 minus 9 power 2, 225 minus 81 equals 144. PAP equals root 144 equals 12 centimeter. In figure 3, we have a right angle triangle at C. I want to get AC. Then, since APC is a right triangle at C, then AC power 2 equals AP power 2 minus BC power 2 equals 8.5 power 2 minus 7.5 power 2 equals 16. AC equals root 16 equals 4 centimeter. Example number 2. In the opposite figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which measure angle B equals measure angle ACD equals 90. AB equal 4, BC equals 3, and AD equals 13. Find the length of each of AC and CD. In triangle ABC, since in triangle right at B, then AC power 2 is the hypotenuse equal AP power 2 plus BC power 2. Then AC power 2 equals 4 power 2 plus 3 power 2 equals 16 plus 9 equals 25. Then AC equals root 25 equals 5 centimeter. In triangle ACD, since measure angle ACD is 90, then DC power 2 equals AD power 2 minus AC power 2. 13 power 2 minus 5 power 2, 169 minus 25 equals 144. Then CD equals root 144 equals 12 centimeter. Example 3. In the opposite figure, APC is a right angle triangle at B. D belongs to AC such that BD perpendicular to AC, make a right angle. AB equals 8 centimeter, BC equals 6 centimeter. Find the length of BD. In triangle ABC, since measure angle B is 90, then AC power 2 equals AP power 2 plus BC power 2. Then AC equals root 100 equals 10 centimeter. Area of triangle ABC equals half BC times AB, half base times the hypotenuse equals half times 6 times 8 equals 24. Also, we can get the area of triangle by the other way. Area of triangle ABC equals half AC base times BD اللي هو الهايت. Then 24 equals half times 10 times BD. Then 24 equals 5 BD. يبقى BD equals 24 divided 5 equals 4.8 centimeter. In the opposite figure, APC is a right angle triangle at B. BC equal 4.5 and AC equal 7.5. Find the length of AP. Since APC is right angle triangle at B, then AP power 2 equals AC power 2 minus BC power 2 equals 7.5 power 2 minus 4.5 power 2 equals 36. Then AP equals root 36 equals 6 centimeter. Another one. XYZL is a quadrilateral in which measure angle Y equal measure angle L equals 90 degree. XY equals 7 centimeter, YZ equals 24 centimeter, and XL equals 15 centimeter. Find the length of XZ and LZ. How can you write the proof for this question? Think, فكر. We will start our proof in the triangle XYZ. Since measure Y equals 90, I want to get the hypotenuse XY, then XY power 2 equals XY power 2 plus YZ power 2 equals 7 power 2 plus 24 power 2 equals 625. Then XY equals root 625 equals 25 centimeter. In triangle XLZ, since in L equals 90 and I want to get LZ, then LZ power 2 equal XZ power 2 minus XL power 2. 25 power 2 minus 15 power 2 equals 400. Then LZ equals root 400 equals 20 centimeter. Another example. ABC is a triangle. AD perpendicular to BC. AD equals 24. AP equals 26 and AC equals 30. Find the length of BC and the area of triangle ABC. Since in AD perpendicular to BC, so we have two right angles. Measure ADB and measure ADC equals 90 degrees. We have two triangles. In triangle ABD, since measure ADB equals 90, then DB power 2 equals AP power 2 minus AD power 2. 26 power 2 minus 24 power 2 equals 100. Then BD equals root 100 equals 10 centimeter. In the second triangle ADC, since in the measure ADC equals 90, then DC power 2 equals AC power 2 minus AD power 2. 30 power 2 minus 24 power 2 equals 324. Then DC equals root 324 equals 18 centimeter. Since in BC equal DB plus DC equals 10 plus 18 equals 28 centimeter. Since the area of triangle equals half times the base times the height, يبقى half times 28 times 24 equals 336 square centimeter. Example number 4. ABCD is a trapezium where AD parallel to BC, measure DCP equals 90, it's a right trapezium. AE perpendicular to BC and AP equal BC equals 17, AD equals 9. Find the length of DC and the area of trapezium. Since in AD parallel to BC and the measure C equals 90, يبقى AECD is a rectangle. يبقى ده معناه ان CE equal AD equals 9. وsince ان BC equals 17, then BE equals 17 minus 9 equals 8 centimeter. Then in triangle AEP, since in AEP equals 90 degree, then AE power 2 equals AP power 2 minus AP power 2. 17 power 2 minus 8 power 2 equals 225. Then AE equals root 225 equals 15 centimeter. Since in AE equal DC, then DC هي كمان equals 15 centimeter. Area of rectangle AECD equal length times width. 15 times 9 equal 135. Area of triangle equals half times the base times the height. يبقى half times 8 times 15 equals 60 centimeter. The area of trapezium equals the area of rectangle plus the area of triangle. يبقى 135 plus 60 equals 195 degree. Complete. In the right angle triangle, the area of the square on the hypotenuse equals the sum of the areas of the squares drawn on the other two sides. If XYZ is a right angle triangle at X, XY equal 12 and XZ equals 9, then then YZ equal, I will draw triangle XYZ. I want to get ZY, يبقى ZY power 2 equal XY power 2 plus XZ power 2, 12 power 2 plus 9 power 2 equal 225, then XZ equals root 225 equals 15 centimeter. If ABC is a right angle triangle at B, AB equal 20, AC equal 25, then PC equal, draw triangle APC right at B, PC power 2 equal AC power 2 minus AP power 2, يبقى 25 power 2 minus 20 power 2 يبقى 225, يبقى ال PC equals root 225 equals 15 centimeter. Number 4, in the opposite figure, APC equals 90, AP equal 5, AC equals 13. Find the area of the square BEDC. In triangle ABC, PC power 2 equals AC power 2 minus AP power 2. يبقى 13 power 2 minus 5 power 2 equals 145. Then PC equals root 145 equals 12 centimeter. The area of the square equals 12 times 12 equals 144 square centimeter. A rectangle is of length 8 centimeter and width 6 centimeter. Then the length of its diagonal equal draw a rectangle ABCD, length or width 8 to 6, and draw its diagonal. Diagonal AC power 2 is the hypotenuse for the right angle triangle ABC. Then AC power 2 equals AP power 2 plus BC power 2 equals 6 power 2 plus 8 power 2 equals 100. If the area of the rectangle is 10 square centimeter and its width is 5 centimeter, then the length of its diagonal equal draw the rectangle ABCD. If its area equals 16 and the width equal 5, then the length equal area divided width. 60 divided 5 equal 12, then the length equal 12. I want to get the length of the diagonal. AC power 2 equal AP power 2 plus BC power 2. 5 power 2 plus 12 power 2 equals 169. Root 169 equals 13, then the length of the diagonal equals 13. Number 7. If triangle ABC is right angled at P, then the side length of the shaded square, we have a right angle triangle. The square of its hypotenuse is 25 and the square of the side AB equals 16. So I want to get the length of the shaded square. PC power 2 equal 25 minus 16 equal 9. Then PC equals root 9 equals 3 centimeter. Number 8. If triangle ABD is right at A and triangle DBC is right at B, then the area of the shaded square equals what? In triangle ABD, BD power 2 equal 4 power 2 plus 3 power 2 equal 25. Then BD equals 5 centimeter. And DC power 2 equals 5 power 2 plus 12 power 2 equal 169 equals 13. So the area of the shaded square equal 169. Number 9. If each of the triangles ABC and ACD and DCE are right angle triangle at B, A and D. AB equal PC equals AD equals PE equals 1 centimeter. Then the area of the shaded square. Start with triangle APC. AC power 2 equal AP power 2 plus PC power 2 equal 1 plus 1 equals 2. DC power 2 equals AD power 2 plus AC power 2 equals 2 plus 1 equals 3. EC power 2 equal DC power 2 plus DE power 2 equals 3 plus 1 equals 4. Then the area of the square ECLF, shaded square, equals 4. If the lengths of the two diagonals of the rhombus are 6 and 8, then its side lengths. Draw the rhombus. We know that the diagonal of the rhombus bisect each other and perpendicular. So the length of this part is 4 and this part is 3. We have a right angle triangle with two sides, 3 and 4. I want to get the length of the side. Then 3 power 2 plus 4 power 2 equals 25. Then the side length equals root 25 equals 5 centimeter. Choose the correct answer. In the opposite figure, which of the following relation is true? we have a right angle triangle. X is the hypotenuse. So, is x equal 4 power 2 plus 3 power 2? That's wrong. X power 2 equal 4 power 2 minus 3 power 3. It's wrong. X power 2 plus 9 equals 16. Also, it's wrong. But x power 2 equal 25. اللي هي 3 power 2 plus 4 power 2. Number 2. If A, B, C, D is a square, then AC power 2 equal AC power 2 equal AP power 2 plus BC power 2. يبقى ال AP power 2 plus AP power 2 يبقى ال AC power 2 equal twice ال AB power 2. Example. In the opposite figure, AD perpendicular to BC, BD equal 9, DC equal 16, AC equal 20. Find the length of AD and AB and the area of the triangle ABC. Since AD perpendicular to BC, then measure ADC equal measure ADB equals 90. In triangle ADC, since measure ADC equals 90, then AD power 2 equal AC power 2 minus DC power 2. يبقى 20 power 2 minus 16 power 2 equals 144. يبقى ال AD equals root 124, ال 144 equal 12. In triangle ABD, since in measure angle ADB equals 90, يبقى ال AP power 2 equal AD power 2 plus DB power 2. يبقى 12 power 2 plus 9 power 2 equal 225. يبقى ال AB equals root 225 equals 15 centimeter. يبقى ال BC كله equal 16 plus 9 equal 25. يبقى ال area of triangle ABC equal half the base times the height. يعني half times 25 times 12 يعني 150 centimeter square. Another example. In the opposite figure, triangle ABD is a right angle triangle at B. AB equal 8, AD equal 17, C belong to BC such that AC equals 10. Find the length of each of BC and BD and CD. In triangle ABC, since measure ABC equal 90, يبقى ال BC power 2 equal AC power 2 minus ال AB power 2 يعني 10 power 2 minus 8 power 2 equal 36. يبقى ال BC equals root 36 equal 6. In triangle ABD, since in ال ABD equals 90, يبقى ال BD power 2 equals AD power 2 minus ال AB power 2 يبقى 17 power 2 minus 8 power 2 equal 225. يبقى ال BD equals root 225 equals 15 centimeter. DC equals 15 minus 9 equal minus 6 equals 9 centimeter. Another example. In the opposite figure, ABCD is a trapezium in which AD parallel to BC, measure A equals 90, AB equal 12, BC equal 25, and AD equal 16. Find the length of BC. I use Pythagoras theorem in triangle. So I will draw a construction BE perpendicular to BC like this. Since in AD parallel to BC and the measure A equals 90, then APED is a rectangle. يعني ال AD equal ال PE equal 16. since ان ال BC equal 25 يبقى ال EC equal 25 minus 16 equals 9. And in triangle DCE since ان DEC equal 90 يبقى معنى كده ان DC power 2 equal DE power 2 plus ال EC power 2. يعني 12 power 2 plus 9 power 2 equals 225 يبقى DC equals root 225 equals 15 centimeter. Another example, we have a triangle ABC and a triangle ACD. Measure B equal measure ACD equals 90, AB equal 9, BC equal 12, DC equals 20. Find the length of AC and AD, the perimeter of the figure ABCD, and the area of the figure ABCD. Let's start our proof step by step. In triangle ABC, since ان measure B equals 90 يبقى ده معناه ان ال AC power 2 equal AB power 2 plus BC power 2. يعني 9 power 2 plus 12 power 2 يعني 225. يبقى ال AC equals root 225 equals 15 سنتيمتر وده required number 1. طيب in triangle ACD since ان measure ACD equals 90 يبقى ده معناه ان ال AD power 2 equal AC power 2 plus DC power 2 يبقى 15 power 2 plus 20 power 2 يعني 625 يبقى ال AD equals root 625 equals 25 سنتيمتر وده second required. Perimeter of any figure is the sum of all its outer side. Then the perimeter of ABCD equals 9 plus 12 plus 20 plus 25 equals 66 centimeter. But the area of the figure ABCD is the area of triangle ABC plus the area of triangle ACD. يعني half times 12 times 9 plus half times 15 times 20. يعني 54 plus 150 equals 204 square centimeter. Another example, in the opposite figure, ABC is a triangle, measure B equals 90, D belong to AB, AD equal 11, BC equal 12, CD equal 13, find the length of BD and AC. Let's start in the small triangle DBC. Since in measure B equals 90, then DB power 2 equal DC power 2 minus PC power 2 يعني 13 power 2 minus 12 power 2 equals 25 يبقى ال BD equals root 25 equals 5 centimeter. When we use Pythagoras theorem, we use it in right angle triangle. So I will set that AB equals 5 plus 11 equals 16 and I will use Pythagoras in the big triangle ABC. Since n P equals 90, then AC power 2 equals AP power 2 plus PC power 2. يبقى 16 power 2 plus 12 power 2 equals 400. يبقى AC equals root 400 equal 20 centimeter. We finished our video. See you next video.